Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word opposed. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I'm strongly opposed to the new policy changes being implemented at work. Opposed in this context means to be strongly against or in disagreement with something, expressing a clear stance of disapproval or resistance. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.